Hi everybody, welcome to Aga Math. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn few more problems based on trigonometric identities. So let us see few more proofs on the trigonometric identities. Right? One of them is like prove that under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equals to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Right? This root is for both the numerator and denominator. Now let us prove this. Let me take the LHS in this. Let me take the LHS. Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. LHS is under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So let us rationalize the denominator here. So as the denominator is 1 minus cos theta, I take 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So if I simplify this, I get like 1 plus cos theta whole square by a minus b of a plus b, a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos square theta. Right? So 1 plus cos theta whole square. Let it write as same. 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta can be written as what? Sin square theta. Right? So now, this also have the under root. So if you see here, it is like 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square, means the square is for both the numerator and denominator. So if you simplify this, what we get? What we get is 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Right? It means this can be written as 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta as the inverse ratio of sin theta, plus cos theta by sin theta is what? Cot theta. So this is one to be proved. So we got, that is RHS. So that LHS, this is nothing but RHS. So here LHS is simplified, so we got RHS. This is one. Let me take one more question here. Prove that cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equals to 2 secant theta. So here also what I do is just I take the LHS here. So the LHS I write here, that is cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. So if you simplify this, what we get is cos theta of 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta of 1 minus sin theta by a minus b of a plus b, that is 1 minus sin square theta, right? Cos theta into 1 is cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta is similarly multiplied like this, plus cos theta into 1 is cos theta minus cos theta into sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is written as what? Cos square theta. So cos theta into sin theta, this is having the plus, minus cos theta into, these two get eliminated. So what we have, cos theta plus cos theta is what? 2 cos theta. So 2 cos theta by this cos square theta can be written as cos theta into cos theta. So this cos theta and this cos theta eliminated. So we have 2 by cos theta. So 2 by cos theta. 2 by cos theta is nothing but 2 into 1 by cos theta, right? So it is nothing that 2 1 by cos theta. Inverse of cos is what? Secant theta. So this is the RHS. So when we simplified the LHS, we got the RHS. This is the proof. Let us see one more question in this. Prove that cosecant theta minus sin theta of secant theta minus cos theta of tan theta plus cot theta equals to 1. So let me take here also LHS from the equation given. So LHS is this one. So directly what I do is I just what is the inverse of cosec? That is sine. So that is 1 by sin theta minus sin theta of secant is what? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Tan theta can be written as in terms of sin theta and cos, that is sin theta by cos theta, plus cot theta is nothing that cos theta by sin theta equals to, we have to prove that it is equals to 1. So LHS this is. So if you simplify this, we get that is sin square theta, so if you simplify this, you get like 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta into 1 minus cos square theta by sin cos theta into sin theta by cos theta. So again, if you simplify both, you get cos theta into sin theta, so that you get here sin square theta plus cos square theta, because cos theta is common, sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta, sin theta is common, so cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. according to the given identities, 1 minus sine square theta can be written as cos square theta by sine theta into 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sine square theta by cos theta into, so this both from the identities, right? So sine square theta plus cos square theta is nothing that 1 by cos theta into sine theta. So sine theta into sine theta, that is sine square theta. So this both get eliminated. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. So cos square theta eliminated. So that is equals to 1. So we got RHS. So here LHS is equals to RHS. Let's see one more question. Sine theta minus, so this is also proof that sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. So by simplifying the LHS, we should get that RHS as a tan theta. So let us take LHS here also. LHS part I take. So sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. In both of this, sine theta is common. So sine theta, if I take common, that is 1 minus 2 sine square theta by, in this cos theta is common, so that is 1 minus, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So what we do here is, let sine theta as usual, that is 1 minus 2 of, so sine square theta can be written as what? 1 minus cos square theta by, let it be, don't change this, don't change the denominator, so it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now let me simplify the numerator part now again. So sine theta 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 into cos square theta is plus 2 cos square theta by cos theta of 2 cos square theta minus 1. So again, if you simplify this, what do we get? Sine theta of 1 minus 2 means it is like 2 cos square theta minus 1 by cos theta of 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this both get eliminated. So we have sine theta by cos theta, that is equals to what? Tan theta, which is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So careful when you take the common and simplifying this, we got tan theta. So based on the identities, we do in different methods. Even you can do in another method also, you may get it. So this is one method which I followed. In trigonometry we have different methods to simplify. You can do in another method if you can, right? So these are a few more problems based on using the identities, right? We have many questions, so that can be done only by practicing different questions. You can feel easier to understand this. So before you listen this all classes, better get perfect with the identities. Thank you for listening. Enjoy.